Good evening everyone, welcome to this market outlook, 8th of August 2022. Start here with gold. As always, you can see the last week we had this continuation of the upside, finishing the week higher. Overall bias hasn't changed, looking for this pullback to continue over the coming weeks up into 1878.90. Will we break this previous close here on Friday to continue, or will we have a few more sideways and possible retest again of this region, or will we continue higher from here into this week? Silver, much the same, except we didn't make a higher high to this 2nd of August high. Whereas in gold, where are we? There's the wick. We made a higher high on the 4th. 2nd, we didn't make a higher high on the 4th at all. We closed lower, and so there's a non-confirmation there. Which one is right? Coming days and weeks will tell. However, I'm still leaning towards, and bias is for this pullback to continue up into 2022 57 on silver in the coming weeks and months. Depends if we move that quickly, could be there in 2-3 weeks. If we get some pullbacks here sideways, it will take longer. Oil, you can see last week we're looking for this pullback on the monthly to continue, and that's exactly what happened, breaking this previous low here. This level I had marked in, clearly broken, closed below, so looking for that continuation this week. UK oil, much the same, looking for this to continue into this week. Dollar index had a bit of an up week. We had a strong bullish day on the 2nd, and then again on the 5th to close the week out. Currently we are 0.06 of 1%, so pretty much flat on the day, first trading day in the week. Still making higher lows, previous low, higher low, high, higher high, so it's still overall bullish. However, I'm looking for this to pull back into as low as 101.622 to 101.297, which would be 4 or 5% move from here. However, at this stage, to confirm that, we need to continue and push lower, break this previous low here, and this region I've marked in 104, 103.637. So if basically at this stage, look for this pullback, for that to be invalidated. If we pushed up here, broke this high, came back to retest, or possibly breaking this high, as I've written there, break of previous high, we'll reevaluate, and if we're breaking that high, we're making a newer high. But one step at a time at this stage. Look for this to continue as a pullback, or will we push higher? For this view to be voided and invalidated, as I've got here, we'd need price to push back lower, break this previous low. Currently I'm looking for this pullback to possibly go a bit higher before rolling over. Yields last week finished the week higher, still trending bearish on a daily. Look, lower highs, lower lows. So looking for that to continue into this coming week for this monthly pullback, possibly into 2% lower on the 10-year yield. Dow Jones, you can see here we finished the week with a bit of a doji, closing the previous week actually lower, so pretty much moved sideways. Is that just a stall in price because of this 3 bullish weeks here? 9% in 3 weeks, bit of steam cooling off. or is this the beginning signs of this continuation of the downside? Currently I'm looking for this possibly to go a bit higher up into 33,272, or will we roll over here? We've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days of pretty much sideways price action. If we look here, same thing, 7 bars. So we're going to get the same. Time will tell. So that would be around here too. Yeah, that's right. 7 bars, 12 days. Yeah, because it's closed on the weekend, of course. So there you go. 12 days, 8 bars would be 10th of August, this coming Wednesday. So will we see this continuation of the downside? And if we do, currently looking for price to break through 33,290 to basically void this, continue up as high as 33,272. If we break lower from here, that bias is voided. We'll break these levels and then continue down into, where are we? I haven't marked in. Currently at 0.618 Fibonacci retracement on this monthly chart, and possibly lower, because remember that'll just be possible wave 3 finishing area. So we'd have wave 4 for a pullback, then wave 5. 1, 3 and 5 are in the direction of the overall trend. Wave 2 and 4 are always the pullbacks. In Elliott wave, there's certain rules. Wave 3 can never be the shortest wave. Wave 4 never pulls back into the area of wave 2. So with those in mind, that's how you can basically learn how to count Elliott waves, which are based on market psychology. And if you, there's a book I'd highly recommend over here, Frost and Prechter, Elliott Wave Principle. Great book. Moving on to the S&P, much the same, a bit higher before rolling over. Level I'd be looking for to avoid this up scenario is 40.012 to confirm this wave 3. Nasdaq, this broke higher than this June 2nd, whereas you can see June 2nd here on the S&P not broken, same with the Dow. So there's another non-confirmation there in the indexes. The Nasdaq made a newer high, whereas the others did not. And if you look at the Russell, we've made an equal high now. So basically same thing for this to roll over, possibly a bit higher into 13,542 to 13,456. For that view to be voided, be looking for a break through 12,473 for this kind of confirmation of wave 3. Russell, much the same, pulled back perfectly into 1919 to 1925. Lovely, look at that. So are we done before rolling over? Long bonds, much the same. This stage I'm still looking for this wave 2 pullback to continue up into 154.06 and 153 region. Just a retracement last week. However, if we break 139.14 and continue lower, breaking this previous low, I'd have to reevaluate. Currently futures up 0.29 of 1%. Gold 0.11 flat. Silver's up. So silver's starting to confirm this gold movement from last week. Volatility up slightly at 3%. Quick look now at crypto. Bitcoin is up 3.87%. We're just getting the pull back up into 30,000, possibly higher. Ethereum 2400. XRP up into 50 cents, 52 cents. I'm looking for another leg lower. However, we could pull back a bit more before that happens. So anyway guys, hope you enjoyed that. Quick recap. So this week looking for gold bullish, silver bullish, oil bearish, looking for that continuation of the downside. Charts have just gone silly. Try again. Sorry about that. Where were we? So start again. Gold. Look for a continuation of the upside. Same on silver, continuation of the upside. Oil, look for this bearish continuation. UK oil the same. Dollar index, possibly a bit higher before continuing lower. Yields, continuation of the downside. Dow Jones, maybe a bit higher before rolling over. S&P, similar, bit higher before rolling over. Nasdaq, looking for that to happen this week, rolling over. Russell, it's the same, possibly a bit higher. Long bond continuation. So anyway, take care, till next time. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed that.